Chill, bruh. Oh, I love the rain, man. Quit. Why is it raining? Bad weather just came in, pal. Boeing 777. I missed the only one. This is in its new livery. I got connect to Tokyo's tower. Transmitting. So I'm connected to Tokyo's tower. I think we got traffic. So I'm gonna have to request emergency takeoff. We're gonna have to move. We're gonna have to do this the hard way. Taxi was a lot smaller than I thought. It doesn't even look like a real taxiway. Cause I know there's no edge lights. Well, that's kind of odd. And that's why we're gonna have to pay the rules. Time to teach them a lesson. Am I being intercepted or something? If I am, just let me in the comments. Meow. V1 rotate. I'm gonna change the airport ATC radio to Perth. Connected to Perth Tower. Perth Tower. Aviation approach soon. Requesting landings in Perth. We're gonna have to slow the plane down soon. Probably now. We're definitely gonna have to slow the plane down. Well, I'm in approach now. There, I can see the runway lights. Okay, I'm in approach now. Oh, runway incursion. Is that guy even know how to land properly? I don't know if that's safe to do so, but I don't know if that guy is landing the absolutely longest bomb. That is like the worst thing I've ever seen. I give that as a 0 out of 10 experience. Dumb. The player just landed. Pretty funny. He landed on the grass. That's just for nerds. So, people who are noobs. That's what noob. Yeah. We're gonna have to do a crosswind. That's a crosswind. This is a crosswind.
40, 30,
Oh, we're at.
20, 10.
Oh, that was a hard landing. Okay, I'm in Perth. Something is wrong with our lines today. This doesn't even look like a real taxiway. It's like it's a taxiway for Cessna. What is a private airport? My goodness. Oh god, no, 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 no.